Hey everyone, it's Melody. I am here with another BTS album unboxing video. Today we have 7 of the B Essential albums to unbox. I'm really excited because I only need 2 more to complete the set for the Photocards. I also have the first series of the M2U Lucky Draw cards that I was very fortunate enough to get, so I'll show those photo cards at the end as well. So let's go ahead and open up these 7 albums. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is a lot to do. So let's go ahead and open these up. Like I usually do in my videos, I'm not going to show you a thorough photo book flip through or anything like that. This is primarily to see who I got as far as the photo cards go. So let's go ahead and open these up. All right, you guys, so everything has been opened. I pulled out the photo books out of everything. I just wanted to show you quickly the actual album and what you receive with it. So obviously it comes in this sort of box. It's open on both ends. The plastic wrap does come with the Dynamite sticker as well as the Grammy nomination sticker. These are actually pretty easy to peel off and you can put it directly on the box. That's what I did with my first set. Very, very easy to do. So inside you obviously get a photo book, but these are the other items you also receive. You receive the actual album, obviously. I like that they have the little embossed lyrics there as well. I think that's a very nice little detail. And it's just the album on this piece. And then you do get a poster. Let me open up the poster very quickly. So it's a nice big poster. And it looks like so. So you get those 2 items and then obviously the photo book. So let's go ahead and flip through the photo books and see which photo cards I got. So the photo book looks like so, and it's actually quite thick. It's a pretty sturdy book. I mean, that is probably about 50 to 60% of the actual album. So I can already tell that the photo cards are somewhere in the middle here. So I'm gonna actually try to pull them out. Okay, y'all are staying over here. I don't see anything. Okay, so just a quick flip through of the photo book. I actually think this photo book is one of my more favorite ones. I love the concept. I love how many photos they give you. I love that you get full pages. You get some of this more abstract sort of work. I feel like it's very cohesive too, even though each member has their own sort of scenery or backdrop. It's a very cohesive photo book. So I currently still own 2 from my first set of 3 that I purchased. I did sell 1 though. And then they do have lyrics in the back here. And just like so. So that is the actual photo book that you receive with the album. All right, so when I pulled everything out, it went like this. Oh gosh, okay. All right, so here are the photo cards. So you get the member photo cards that are just generic in all of them, and then you get the one that is a random. I don't know what order it goes in. I'm gonna go this way. Okay, so here are the regular ones. So you get a Tae, obviously, and these are like the couch series. That's what I always like to call it. There's Jin. There's J-Hope. There's JJK. And there's Yoongi. These are the ones that they decorated in one of their BTS YouTube videos. It was very cute to see Namjoon peeling stickers. There's Jimin. And there's Namjoon. So those are the 7 that you get. And here is the random card. Let's see who we got. Oh my gosh! We did it! We got Jungkook. I needed Jungkook, so I'm very excited right now. Sorry for screaming. He's one of the ones that I needed out of the 2 that I'm missing. Very ecstatic right now. I manifested this into reality. Thank goodness. This set is almost done. Hopefully I can get 1 more that I need, but there's Jungkook's PC. Love it. Let me know who you guys pulled when you opened this album as well. Or if you opened multiple, let me know who you pulled. All right, second one we're gonna open up. Where are your photo cards? They're right in here. All right, I'm just gonna show the random card now since you've seen all of the regular cards, and let's see who we got. I'm nervous. Oh, we got J-Hope, yay! Oh, this is so exciting. So I have the other ones, but I've really only ever pulled Jimin and Yoongi, so it's exciting to pull someone else as well. The other ones I actually ended up purchasing before I made this purchase. And then obviously all of the member cards are behind him. They stick these photo cards in different places in the book. I wonder whose job that is, and I wonder how I can have that job. All right, I'm gonna flip these around. All right, let me turn this around. Let's see who we get. Oh, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. Where are, oh, there, Yoongi. So this is my second Yoongi pull from the B Essentials. I have one already. There's Yoongi. Yay, this one wasn't on the top though, how interesting. That's all right. And the way they shipped these out, it was very random. It's not like they told you who you're gonna get. These are all sealed albums. So I really have no idea who I'm getting in any of these. So let's hope that the random card is there when I flip it over. We got Yoongi again, wow, my goodness. You know, I feel like I do pull Yoongi a lot. Yoongi and Jimin, I pull quite often. So there's Yoongi again. All right, this is my 5th pull. I have 2 more left after this one. Oh my God, you guys, I got Yoongi again. Oh my goodness. How bizarre, but there he's my 3rd Yoongi from this set. All right, I'm not mad about it. All right, you guys, this is my 6th pull. You guys, if it's Yoongi, I'm gonna scream. I feel like I might. Here we go, let's see who it is. Oh, it's Jimin, thank goodness. God bless. He is the last one I needed. You guys, I pulled him twice when I first got my first 3. So I ended up trading and selling the 2 that I pulled because I didn't think I was gonna collect this series, and then I decided I wanted to, and I like regretted giving those away. Thank goodness I have the full set now because I have Jimin back in my life. Oh my goodness, I was worried there because I only have 1 album left. There is Jimin. And his card's really good too. And you guys, this is going to be my last pull from this haul. This is from album number 7. Here we go. Oh, J-Hope! Oh my, you guys, I got so many doubles. I'm actually really excited. Yay, okay. All right, so from 7 B Essential albums, I pulled 1 Jungkook, 1 Jimin, 3 Yoongis, and 2 J-Hopes. I'm kind of sad I didn't pull the other guy, but these are how odds go. It's just very randoms. All right, so now that we've done all the pulls, let me show you the beautiful M2U first series card set. So these are lucky cards that you got in Korea. If you bought the B Essentials album, you randomly got a random card with it. So I ended up very luckily getting the full set. Here's Jimin's. But that's how it looks. These cards are also very thick compared to the cards in the album, but they're also a little bit more matted, so they do have a high chance of like scratching and things. I've seen cards from other people where there have been imperfections. I think I'm pretty fortunate. My cards look pretty good. So there is Jimin. Here's Namjoon. Oh, he looks so cute. I love him. Here's RM. And again, there's the back. Here's Yoongi's. He looks so good here. Very cute. Yoongi has like a very specific selfie pose, I feel like. I feel like the other guys, they kind of do different ones, but this is his go-to selfie pose. I feel like you could literally interchange his face in any of these. And it's the same pose. But there's Yoongi. Here is J-Hope's. I actually really like J-Hope's a lot. J-Hope takes really good photos for these photo cards. And just to compare the 2 photo cards, if you can kind of compare the rounded corners from the M2U wave versus the regular B Essentials, they are definitely pointier. They're not as rounded as, if you can tell that a little bit. And the material is very different as well. This is thinner, this is thicker. And this one feels just a little bit more heavily matted. We've got V. I loved this. I was trying to figure out if I wanted V or Jungkook when I originally tried to get these, and I decided I wanted them all. So, but look at V. His photo is so nice. I love it. Good pose. V always does different kind of poses too, I feel like, for these. And there's the back. And there's Jin. I love this photo of Jin. He looks so nice. There's the back. And then we got blonde Jungkook. I love this photo. Again, this and V were the 2 that I was trying to figure out which one do I want and how do I get them without getting a random one. It was hard. There were so many group orders and I didn't know what to do. So here I am with the full set. Looking great, and there's the back. Love it. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my entire haul. 7 B Essential albums that I opened up. Again, we have Jungkook, Jimin, 2 J-Hope, 3 Yoongis, and then we have the full first set of the M2U Lucky Draws from the first series, or from the only series of the B Essential album. I thought this video would be really interesting because it's the first time I've ever done like a lucky draw sort of thing, as well as opened so many of one album, but I thought it'd be fun to see. If you guys happen to like this type of video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you want to see a little bit of BTS content on my channel. I have been purchasing a lot of albums and doing a lot of these photo card things because I am definitely a collector now. I'm collecting so many of these photo cards, so I'll do a collection video at some point as well once I get everything in. But please let me know down below if you would like to see more of this sort of content on my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to just see more from me in general, you can hit subscribe down below. I will put a BTS playlist up here. I have a few videos of just hauls, unboxing, things of that nature you can definitely check out as well. I also list my Instagram down below. I do post just like random BTS content. Thank you for going on this wild ride and wild journey with me. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope everyone is doing well, staying safe, staying happy, staying healthy. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!